Everyone, it's just me today. I asked Bigfoot to join, but he's off searching for lost human stuff again. I think the mushroom I just ate was one of Bigfoot's. Whoa! Guys, I have no idea how long I've been here, and I just saw things you really don't want to see. Wait, those aren't my footprints. Guys, I think I'm not alone out here. Guys, I just heard something in the bushes behind me. Ah! I swear something's following me. Guys, I just called Bigfoot. He said he's on his way to help me out, so I feel a little safer now, but I think something's still watching us. Hi guys, we just got the idea to start a podcast together. Drop your topics or questions in the comments.